Researchers at Oregon State University have crafted a revolutionary material capable of converting sunlight and water into clean energy. This groundbreaking photocatalyst, led by Kyriakos Stylianou from the OSU College of Science, promises high-speed, high-efficiency hydrogen production. Hydrogen, essential for fuel cells in cars and numerous chemical processes, including ammonia production, metal refining, and plastic manufacturing, can now be produced more sustainably. Stylianou's research delves into crystalline, porous structures known as metal organic frameworks, MOFs. These MOFs, made of positively charged metal ions and organic linker molecules, boast nano-sized pores and customizable properties. In their study, the researchers utilized a MOF to derive a metal oxide heterojunction, a blend of two materials with complementary traits, to create a catalyst that splits water into hydrogen when exposed to sunlight. The team referred to this catalyst as RTTA, combining MOF-derived ruthenium oxide and titanium oxide doped with sulfur and nitrogen. Among the various RTTAs tested, RTTA-1 emerged as the most effective, producing over 10,700 micromoles of hydrogen in just 1 hour. This impressive efficiency, Stylianou explained, is due to the synergistic effects of the metal oxide's properties and the MOF's surface properties, which enhance electron transfer. The study underscores the potential of MOF-derived metal oxide heterojunctions as practical photocatalysts for hydrogen production. This method offers a cleaner alternative to the conventional methane steam reforming process, which emits carbon dioxide. While the current cost of producing green hydrogen is higher, the minimal amount of expensive ruthenium oxide used in RTTA-1 makes it a promising candidate for industrial applications. Water, abundant on Earth, can now serve as a sustainable source of hydrogen through photocatalysis, harnessing solar energy efficiently. This innovative approach marks a significant step towards developing sustainable and efficient energy solutions, contributing to the fight against greenhouse gas emissions and climate change.